In the last video, I showed you how to fund your Erudite game wallet. And as you can see, this is where I left. This is the amount of money I have in my account. The money will remain there. At any time I can come back and play a game, and when I win the money, I will be able to get my money paid directly to my bank account. So the money you add to your account is not being taken away by anybody. That is the beauty of the platform. It is not going to expire. You have it in your account. At any time you can come back and play a game, and you will be able to win the money, and it will be sent back to your bank account. So right now I want to show you a couple of things before I round up this tutorial video. So on my account, you can go ahead and click on your account. You'll be able to see some details about your account. Here you can see your username, then you can see your dashboard, you can see your orders, you see downloads, addresses, payment method, account details, logout. So these are the basic information from your account. If you click on your wallet, just the page I was coming before I click here, you will see the amount of money you have in your wallet. And if you click on the profile, you see your account information in case you want to edit your account. And if you want to log out, in case you are using someone else's phone or computer, you can just click on log out and it will log your details out from that particular device. When you play a game on this platform, each time you play a game, you advance on the level, and if I click on this, you will be able to see your level. The level is based on certain criteria that is defined on the platform. As you can see, for me, my level is newbie. Depending on how long you have been playing game on this platform, your level will continue to rise, and you will be able to see your level from your level page. Now the next thing I want to show you is the opportunity for you to be able to communicate with other members of the platform, and for you to be able to ask questions or make requests in case you have anything bothering you. So if I go ahead and click on forum, I'll be able to see more information, and I'll be able to interact, engage with other members on the forum. This is everything you need to know about how this platform works, and I believe with this you will be able to make your decision. You'll be able to join the platform and start making money starting from now. Thanks again for watching the video, and hope to see you on the platform. Bye for now.